Alright folks, so now we have entered in all of the contestants for our gift card giveaways. We're going to be giving away 10 $100 gift cards, 3 $250 gift cards, and a $500 gift card. And then just for entering, all 43 of you are going to get a $25 gift card, so everybody is going to be a winner no matter what. So first we're going to go through all of the $100 gift cards, then the $250s, and then the $500s. Alright, now let's recap so nobody's confused. First, we did the $100 gift cards. We have Vernon, Denard, Branham, Hawks, Stifler, Cardenas, Aton, Sonobada, Hopkins, and Ridgeway. Congratulations, you all won a $100 gift card. Now we have the $250 gift cards. We have Nelson, Dalton, and Constantine. Congratulations, you got a $250 gift card. For the grand prize winner, a $500 gift card, Johnson. Congratulations.
Congratulations, guys.
So, once again, thank you for entering, and we'll talk to you soon.